Hello, and welcome to my review of this electronic door holder. So, over here is what you get, and over here is just my power supply, which I'm using to test it right now. But anyways, here is the electromagnet itself. It comes with a little mounting bracket. Here is the bit of steel that goes on your door, and this is what gets attracted to the electromagnet. And you also get some odds and ends here, mounting hardware and stuff like that. And basically the idea behind this is that this would go into like your door frame or whatever. First you would take this bracket here and you'd use these two small screws and either mount it, this way here or this way in there. And once this bracket is mounted to your door frame, then you'd take this electromagnet unit and then you'd screw it to the bracket like this. Let me do that real quick. And now that part is wired up, and you have a short lead about 6 inches long. And it's powered by 12 volt DC. Then you take this part here, this is what would go to your door, and you unscrew this part, stick that here, and so this end goes into your door, and then you can sandwich it for more strength using this thing here. And then this part is what would contact the electromagnet and be attracted to it. So there you go, and now let me give you a quick demonstration. So let me just take this off, you don't need that. So right now this power supply is not on, so obviously the electromagnet doesn't work. And when this power supply is on, that little green light will come on. And so let me put my piece of metal on there, and let's turn it on. As you just heard, my power supply just went on, and you hear the little click of that little plastic thing going in, which indicates that the electromagnet is on. And so there you go. So now, according to the manual, this is like 130 pounds, I think, of holding force. And this thing is working at 12 volts at like 100 milliamps. So it's pretty low power, and you get a decent amount of holding force. And of course, naturally, 130 pounds, so I can't take it off, so it's like extremely solid. And how about now I'll unplug it while I hold it up so you can see it dropping off. Let me unplug it real quick. And there you can see, as soon as it lost power, it lost the magnetism and it released the metal bar. So there you go. Overall, I'd say it does work pretty well. I guess the only thing to watch out for is to make sure that you have the proper mounting hardware and stuff to mount it to whatever door frame you're using. So you don't get a whole lot of mounting hardware here, so you might have to pick up some more. And just a quick little demonstration, this unit measures about 80 millimeters long by 40 millimeters wide by about 25 millimeters thick, and this one is 75 millimeters long by 32 millimeters wide by 10 millimeters thick. So there's just some quick dimensions right there. So there you go. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.